Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and it's great to see you guys here. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get paid comfortably from home by simply testing the functionality of different mobile phone apps. And a lot of people have been requesting a video like this, so that's what I'm doing it right now. So watch this video till the end and I'm going to give you all the details right on this video. So stay tuned for that. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel because right now I am uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So go ahead and smash the subscribe button and don't forget to push the notification bell because guys you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to guys give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so this is what I am doing and this is totally worldwide. So check out the link below in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about the system. Guys, the people who've gone through this system and now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So go ahead and click the first link in the description of the video and I will share with you more information. So guys, let's jump into this video. So how does this exactly work? Well, as you know, there are a lot of different apps out there today and it's constantly getting more and more apps out there on the market. So new apps that are getting released, these companies want to have a people testing these apps so they can make the functionality work better, and that's where you come guys. Okay, so you're gonna test different apps and you are gonna write a short review for them, what you think about them, and you have to write a honest review. Of course you couldn't write that everything works perfectly. No, you shouldn't say what's good and what's not good about the specific app that you have been trying. So there's a platform guys I'm going to talk about today, or a website for doing this, so which I'm showing you right now. That one is called AppCoiner and I will put the link under the video descriptions like I always do, and you can go directly from there guys. And they say they need more testers, more members for all over the world, so you can enter your name and email below to join and getting started to pay to test and after the coolest new app on your phone or tablet. So how does it work? Well, so getting paid to test app with AppCoiner guys is a simple and it's a 3-step process. You will choose an app to test from their database and you will be tested out on your phone or tablet, and then you will be write your honest review of the app on their website, and AppCoiner will get you paid for that. And the more apps you test and the more review you write guys, the more money you will make. Now there is a small fee to getting started with this platform guys, and it's only because they provide a service and a technology that will help you getting paid testing these apps. But don't worry, you will make your money back. So it's really working well. I searched for the AppCoiner payment proof on YouTube and find out really good results, and there are a lot of videos and a lot of review about this program right here. My AppCoiner payment review pioneer, there seems to be a lot of people that are making money with this AppCoiner, and I guess it's a good way if you try out this different apps on your phone. So guys, it's a very simple thing to do. You can make some extra money, so why not try it? So go ahead and test it out guys. I leave a link below in the description of this video so you can go and sign up with this and start getting paid guys. So that's it for today's video guys. If you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this website, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, go ahead and sign up with this and start making money. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day.